A quantum dot is a so-called artificial atom created by human on a nanometer scale from 2 nanometer to 40 nanometer, which is used in semiconductor industry, solving problems in electronics all over the world, and revolutionized electronic industry. Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2023 awarded to these three scientists, Ikimo, Bruce, and Bhavandi, for quantum dots, which is a field of nanotechnology. This technology has real solutions for futuristic world. For example, biology, material science, chemistry, all of the areas where you can think. This tech is actually working at nano level, meaning 10 to the power minus 9. With this technology, you can create a fabric that can actually stick to the wall like a Spider-Man. A nanobar that can supply medicines to your body at desired location and will have no side effects and will kill all of the viruses from your body. Another example for hydrophobic houses, hydrophobic shoes. There's a lot of logical applications that if you comment out, I will make a separate video. By the way, just like those, quantum dots also a part of vastness of nanotechnology, which is doing great work. So if we have to go in the realm of quantum dots, the story is related to 1937. Here a scientist Froelich explained how can we trap electrons in quantum well. So the quantum well, this term is simply explaining that first we have to think about a trap called quantum well, which is a sphere of high energy, and somehow we have to trap electrons between that sphere. Okay, so the final question is, why are all scientists trying to trapping, controlling, and trying to use electrons? So the whole subject of electricity, if you see at broad level, is just about how we can manipulate electrons. Means electricity is a subject of electrons, and this idea is a new one, which is based on Schrödinger equation. If you try to reduce some electrons from the quantum well and try to make the size of that quantum well smaller, the colors of each dot will change and they will be different from each other because of small spaces. You know, quantum particles are also a wave. So some big spaces making big wave and small spaces small. That's why small quantum dot is producing blue light and big dot producing red light because of extremely high frequency and low frequency. In 1981, meaning one of the Nobel Prize winners published a paper where he explained how he poured colored copper chloride on the molten glasses and he heated at different temperature, and then he tried to detect them by X-rays. So he found that there are so many different sizes of nanometers atom with different color. In second experiments in 1983 by second Nobel Prize laureates named Bruce, he was unaware of these experiments and results. His concern was different. He wanted to try to chemical reaction by sunlight that can be so efficient at maximum absorbing sunlight. And you know, this tech can help us to making more efficient solar panels. And for this experiments, he need more surface area. And for this experiments, particles. And when he see the results, so the results was same. He also created a nanometer dots with different sizes, different colors. And those experiments proved that quantum dots are not just a theory. They are actually can be created, and its scientific thoughts experiments was right. But now the headache was, how can we commercialize quantum dots? Because for this we need to control, manipulate quantum dots. And here in picture our third Nobel Prize laureates came in. Mr. Bhavandi, he put cadmium selenide in a solvent which was saturated and heated, and then he observed that size and colors of that crystals gradually changing, and now these are first quantum dots that we can commercially use. And today the biggest use of quantum dots is in LED screens due to their different light emission. In solar panels, where quantum dots are used in high electron mobility like a semiconductor and can absorb more solar spectrum that can increase our solar panels efficiency. In single electron transistors, photodetectors, etc. If you want to learn more about nanotechnology, praise our videos by like and subscribe my channel. This is just for today guys, we'll talk later. Bye bye.